Hey everyone, welcome back. My name's Chrissy, and for today's video, your girl's about to get her hair done. So if you guys want to see, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, like, comment, turn your post notification on because I post every Wednesday, and make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok at Mscrisssy if you guys want to see more fashion looks from me. But yeah guys, let's go ahead and get this thing started. So your girl's about to get her hair done. And ask me how I'm feeling right now. I am feeling nervous. I am feeling scared. I don't know what I was thinking when I booked this hair appointment, but your girl needs something new. I love my hair like this, but at the same time, it's been about like 2 to 3 years. I said, I want to get my hair done. I want to get my hair done. If you guys don't know, my sign is a Taurus. April 29, baby. The reason why I'm bringing that up is because if you guys have a friend that is a Taurus, they can never make up their mind. As you guys can see, I don't have a tattoo because I just don't know. I want to get a tattoo, but at the same time, I just don't know what to get. So that's how I'm feeling right now with my hair. I have like a mood board, like a little like inspiration of how I want my, my hair to look like, but at the same time, is it gonna look good on me? So. And it's hard to just trust any hair salon like that because I don't even know who's gonna do my hair, to be honest with you. YOLO, you only live once, let's try it. If not, if it doesn't work, then I can just go back to black. So my natural hair is dark brown. It's like, a little bit dark on top and then lighter on the bottom. It just does that. So a little bit of history about my hair. I had my hair dyed so many times, like platinum hair, gray hair. I had teal hair. Anyways, I've dyed my hair so many times already, and I even cut my hair this short. Guys, it did not look good. Okay, so I'm very sensitive when it comes to my hair, so hopefully it comes out nice. I don't want to overthink. I know I'm really anxious right now and I'm really nervous. I just don't know what to do. We are about to leave the house. I decided to wear my teddy bear jacket because it's really gloomy outside right now. It's supposed to be cloudy today, and I got my little bag right here, my little tote bag. I got my snacks, my chargers, because I'm gonna be there for a long time. And what else I have? My water bottle. Definitely need my water bottle right here. What else do I have in here?
Are you nervous, babe? You sound kind of nervous.
I am nervous. I am scared. I've never done this before. I mean, at least it's been a while, guys. I'm scared. I'm anxious. We're late. It's 9:30. We gotta go. I'm nervous. Are you nervous for me?
No,
No?
I'm sleepy.
Are you sleepy? What time did you sleep last
I'm
night?
tired at midnight. Just woke me up all early.
Yeah, because he left the light on last night, in the middle of the night. I was like, why's the light on? He's still awake. Putting you on blast right now, babe. Oh, let me show this part. Because I guess I never show it, right, babe? Alright guys, I'm walking to the salon now. I already have my purse inside because I have to check in, but I have to bring my tote bag where I have all of my stuff just in case. And I also left my jacket in there in the car just because it's too hot and it's too baggy for me to be even wearing that inside. So yeah, I'm anxious right now. We are here though, so we'll definitely get. Here we go again. It's the wrong door. We are about to shoot some photos real quick. We're gonna do a before and after photos. Excited. Time to get this hair done. My hair's too long. I don't know if you guys are able to hear me under this mask, but I'm excited. I have to text my boyfriend and figure out like how long I'm gonna be here for. So I think this is what we're gonna do. This hairstyle. It'll suit me so well. With obviously her hair is really long, so it'll look really nice. What do I look like right now? A lot of foils in the back. Oh my God, what a one time. this is what she looks like. Ah! I can't even believe this is my hair color now. I'm so happy. I'm just waiting for my boyfriend right now. And she's over here. Look. Hey! Thank you. Bye. Wow. Is this real? This is my hair color now. I love this hair color because it suits my skin tone. That's one of the biggest things too. I'm really tan. And it's hard for me to find like the right, color, and this one is perfect. I am loving everything about this. How do you like my hair, babe?
It's beautiful.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like how it came out.
So this is the next day now, and I wanted to just show you guys my hair. Shout out to Jade. This wouldn't be possible without her, and this wouldn't be possible if I didn't face my fear, guys. For so long, I doubted myself. I said, I don't want to get my hair done anymore in my whole entire life because I was like, ugh, I just can never trust any hair salon. Look at this bad boy. Look at her. She's so pretty. I'm so happy, guys. I've never been this happy in so long. I thought I would never get my hair done ever again. But shout out to my best friend for helping me out, because I FaceTimed her and I was like, girl, I need your help. I want to get my hair done. And she knows that I've been wanting to get my hair done for so long. But I just, I just keep doubting myself. I keep telling myself, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. And guys, Jade was like, your hair is so nice and so pretty. It's so healthy. And I'm so happy it didn't really damage a lot of my hair, which is pretty cool. And my best friend was like, because I told her, I was like, I want to get this little, highlights in the front of my hair. And she was like, girl, it's called money piece. Girl, shoot, that's why you have best friend like that, she got your back. I didn't even know the name of it. I was like, what? Money piece? Why is it called money piece? I told Jade, I was like, hey, I don't want to get anything done up here just because I wanted to just like, from dark to light, I just wanted to just blend the right way. And she did an amazing job. I had no complaint whatsoever. And I'm so glad, like, there's no damage whatsoever on my hair. My hair is still healthy. It feels healthy. It doesn't feel dry whatsoever. And it's supposed to take about 5 hours, 6 hours to get my hair done. But she was able to do it in like 4 hours, 4.5 hours, which is pretty dope. When you do get your hair done, make sure you have a good relationship with your hair salon and tell her exactly what you need and what you're looking for. Make sure you come correct, guys. Make sure you have like a mood board. Show her what you want and she'll just basically do what you want. And guys, I had a good talk with her. Me and her were just like talking about life, our goals, our family, and it's so amazing to just connect with people like that you don't even know. Like, she was just amazing. When you do get your hair done, make sure you have a good relationship with them, because I'm telling you, it'll be all worth it. And I'm so happy because when I booked this appointment, I was like, there's two different options. Either you go to whoever you want to do, whoever you want to get your hair done, or you just put whoever's available. So I just put whoever's available because I really don't know. This is my first time. Yeah, I told God, I was like, God, I'm gonna leave this to you. Please help me out, find the right hair salon. And whoo, God, when you pray to God, everything's gonna be all right. But look at her. Look at her. For so many years, I've been literally doubting myself. I said, I don't want to get my hair done ever again because I had like a bad history about my hair. But this year, it's all about self-care, self-love, and self-growth. But yeah, guys, if you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment down below, let me know if Jay did an amazing job with my hair, and make sure you guys turn your post notification on because I post every single Wednesday. And make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok if you guys want to see more fashion looks from me. And yeah, guys, bye.
You like it what you see? Everything designer, that's on me. That's why when I walk, looking like you, just tryna, yeah. This trip got you in heat. It's jumping, baby girl, hop on it. Yeah, you know that I'm